Turtles pin on the hat.
Show me your hat. Bro's got it going on. Especially with the ancient pins that he wasn't part of the team. The rescue and Rover Ruckus, yeah.
I've been there.
You were definitely on the team then.
Yeah.
He was like an 8-year-old on the team. On rescue.
I just drove to Alabama and was like, you know what?
Yeah, and you were in a different state too. You were in Colorado the whole time.
Yeah.
Colorado is a bozo move.
Bozo. So we're day 1 on our way to the convention center.
Not only are we on the way to convention
It's a
center,
great view.
Squidward Wall.
He took a picture of a wall. It looks like it says Squidward. It's the most eventful thing we've seen today. There's Minute Maid Park. It's all the way over there. It's really hard to see.
So we're gonna go win the whole game.
Yeah, we're gonna do the thing. I don't know what that's on that wall, but it's just weird graffiti around here.
Why are there police? John,
What?
they're gonna arrest you for the 17 pounds of cocaine you had.
Yep, that's factually correct. I wonder if Google's gonna be hilarious again and say Avenidas de las Americas.
Avenidas de las Americas.
Las Americas. We're in Texas.
Yeehaw, cowboy.
Yeehaw, or something like that.
The building's on fire.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. There is
Bro,
an exit.
everyone.
So why? Thanks. Oh my goodness.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's probably a good thing. What's going on?
What is going on? I don't know.
trying to figure this out.
This isn't concerning at all.
See a wave of people.
Yeah, everyone get in an elevator. Maybe. This is such an angle.
Freaking fire. Ruined our schedule. There's so many people out here.
So many.
We're finally out of the streets. We're going back inside.
Just happy there's a tree here.
Personally, I blame the steakhouse because that's where all the smoke is. But like,
Steakhouse's fault.
oh
I
man,
gotta be like,
spicy steak.
the steak is too.
There were so many people out on the hill over there. I saw Cheesy Poos over there.
Cheesy Poos?
Yeah, literally.
Talk to Cheesy Poos.
I think there's.
How many people would you say are out here? I'd guess it
There were like
10K.
2,000 at least the first part, but like, dang.
I think at its prime there was probably like 10K.
Yeah. We're restoring order, finally. So, I was literally on my way to the stands. I had gotten almost all the way to the entrance where the safety glass check is. And then... They got Pianta. Did you say Pianta? It's a pinata, John. it's a pinata. I love me a Pianta. This is not Mario Sunshine. We don't Pianta here. But I literally had gotten to the safety glass check-in area and was turning to go on, and then they were like, "Oh, fire alarm is in place. Everybody evacuate." So that was the slowest evacuation I've ever been a part of. Everybody was just like,
Everyone thought it was fake.
"Yeah, okay, I guess I'll go down the stairs."
Yes, it was.
I mean, we were right. We were.
Even though it is.
False alarm.
Hi, camera.
Gray matter with that?
No. So what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
I
I
mean, just
mean,
put these clips together.
we could go inside and deal with that mess over there,
Or we can just
or we
wait,
could just
like-
hang out out here.
It's not gonna be any better.
Wait, we can go in that door.
Rate a joke. We could just wait for it. Okay, I'm done now.
losses for the Blue Lions, puts it 114 to 103. A high-scoring match, certainly. The brown coats now for the Red Alliance, trying to recapture some of these blue junctions. Recapturing, as was mentioned, those ownership points, 3 points per junction, really sneak up at the end of the field. Red, blue, red, blue. Still a minute left, and our teams are already above 150 points for red and for blue. Right to cone, placing that down. Neither of these teams looking for a circuit quite yet. No cones in those turn 5 to 186 for red. It certainly will come down to every last point. A beacon scored for red, scored by the brown coats. Now blue, locking down one of the red junctions with their beacon. We've got beacons on the field. It is tight, 191 to 196. Now both of our red robots are parked, they're satisfied, and that is the match.
So the fire alarms are going off again? Bruh. Who keeps going through the fire exits? The fire alarm went off. I'm not leaving. Somebody's getting fired.
With the robot.
Why is everyone leaving?
We saw the first time.
This is so crazy.
So don't leave again to come back in.
I swear it's probably out of the box again, just shenanigans. So, you boys just drove your first match of the World Championship. What are your thoughts? So stoic.
I think it's better than like other
It
competitions.
is so much
'cause
more well put
people
together.
are out of view.
Yeah,
Like way far away.
that's
You
true.
don't have to think about
the
them at
focus
all.
is on the field always because there's so much lighting there, and then everybody else is just in the background.
Yeah.
Exactly. I
So
think
much
it.
better
I
than,
think
like,
it's.
States in every way.
Yeah,
It's definitely still like.
it's like you're on a big stage.
Well, it's unnecessarily
It'd be
like
crazy if
overwhelming for
Alabama
some reason,
had,
but it's like
elevated
you
fields.
get over it.
Yeah, Alabama would be based if we had
If
platform
Alabama
fields.
had good lighting like that,
Yeah,
but Worlds that was so nice.
that was so intense.
It was intense, but it was a very well played game. It wasn't like badly scored or anything. It was done. It was
Well,
done
did you-
gooder.
The David, the coach from
Oh, from Kraken.
Kraken, came back over to our pit
There goes the Subi.
and he said, "So somebody shoved us into the wall and broke our claw servo."
That's probably
Wasn't
Robo-
me.
prob-
No, it was your partner.
Yeah, I knew I didn't drive into anybody.
I
didn't do it. I promise.
We have a situation in the parking lot.
Hey, it's the cool guy. I know him.
He's based.
He's cool.
Back up.
What? Okay.
So, yes, very cool. World's
Very
good job.
Very cool. You have
10 more to go.
you have 8
Yeah.
more matches until
I
you
get-
catch up with my experience at World Championship driving.
8 more. What?
You have 8 more matches
Oh.
until you catch up with me.
You're right. You're right.
So we're gonna be better than you by the end of this.
More experience technically.
Yeah.
Better.
Straight up, just better. Skill issue. Oh look, it's Ed.
Yo. Hi.
Aggressively waving.
Stop
Oh, he's aggressive with that flag. He's snapping it like a whip.
That flag has seen things.
Well, yeah.
Whoosh.
What's up? So, oh, let me drop my phone. Yeah.
Put that in.
Keep it. Don't cut it.
If you cut
Yeah.
it, then you're a baby.
Ed was next to us for like 30 whole seconds, and we were like, "Yo, it's Ed!" And we were aggressively waving, and you didn't notice any of it.
Notice any of what?
I was gonna let us know tomorrow.
Ed is right.
Okay.
Was right next to us.
Okay.
Pulling out.
We're trying to finesse it behind the bot.
So I'm guessing
Oh.
bowl game.
Pretty.
So you'll see us two.
Yeah,
why I'm talking like that.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back.
Yeah, did you see what the sign says?
Are we gonna like try to finish?
Featuring Houston traffic in the background.
It's really sad that she
She
couldn't
only
stay
came for judging. And I'm glad that she came for judging.
Let me disjoint my neck.
So, yeah, the judges.
Are you here for the
Tell the guys what you told me.
The Dons.
What? This is 9:56 p.m. at the house.
Do one more.
This is fatherless activities. What are you doing to him, dude?
I'm being squashed.
He's been laughing for the past like 5 minutes.
All right, David, throw him off.
Because I've been flattened.
Bruh. This is the quality content that I subscribe for.
I would watch this.